wife.
Good morning. How was your night? Hope
night.
you slept well.
Slept well, you say? No. I didn't even blink my eyes all through the night. After everything that transpired.
By now, you should be used to it.
Until today, I'm having serious headache. Like, I'm having headache.
It's okay. Let me get you paracetamol.
No, don't worry yourself. Where's Papa and Mama? I went to their room. I didn't see them.
They went out this morning.
Oh.
Hi, Gunglola. How's my brother Ndubisi?
He has gone to his provision shop.
Ha! Ndubisi, the businessman. Eh? Well, I am happy the both of you are doing well for yourselves.
Thank you.
Anyways, it's better to do something than lazing about.
Let me sweep the compound.
No. No. Somadina and Onyeka should do it, not you.
Isu? Sama who?
Somadina.
No, please, Sister Angie, they don't even start. They won't sweep the compound. I'm the one that sweep the compound. They don't sweep the compound. I'm the one that do it. So don't bother yourself.
Hey. There's nothing wrong with not here in this compound, though. Eh? Don't sweep this. Don't even try it. Go and call Somadina. Let them do it by themselves.
I'm not even seeing anything. These children, Somadina will come and help you sweep the compound.
In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. In this world, you don't know who is your real enemy. Some are close to you, and some are far from you. But household enemy, very dangerous to perfect. Household enemy.
You can leave that thing now, here. Keep it in her body. Let her. Can you imagine?
When I'll be telling you, you think I'm lying. Look at the place, look at the place. Look at someone you want to come and tell, to come and harass you. As what? You don't know. These children. You see the way she swept herself away. You have not seen anything. What my eyes have seen in this house, my mouth can do.
Hey!
You there. So you don't let this girl spoil you. As I was saying, I said, oh, come to Agasha. Oh, come and see. Maybe by then, by the grace of God, I would have given birth.
Don't worry. God will give you your own children, okay?
No. Anytime you want, let me give you. I'm tired of them.
My G, but you need to see what's in store for my house last night.
What be that?
Now my popsy heard her sister. Now so my mom see go wake her up from where she is sleeping.
And what happened?
My mom see set the mattress ablaze now. She burned everything.
What?
I did tell you.
Onyeka, your mother set a whole mattress on fire ablaze.
I tell you, now my grandmama mattress be that. Now that one self they pay me.
Yeah? Onyeka, nigga na bafia. She dey smoke weed?
Nah, I the corner say walk by a jumper. Like say that woman they high pass me, I dey tell you.
Nah, I can't just comprehend this at all. Because you make me see. And if you put the case, because the other day I stepped in your compound, I saw the witch was ranting like a mad dog. Your name no kankitala. And in all these things, your grandfather, your grandmother, they in the BC, they did not do anything. They were all watching her, and she set a whole mattress on fire.
Why they reason like this now? Why they call my mama Kitara now? Based on say why they reason you waiting happen for my
mama.
I know they like them.
No be why they reason? I know for person we go come set
see,
mattress.
See, waiting the sub now. Why can't they cause mama like this now? Why make they take them for your?
I will go and there. See, let me tell you, it is high time. Accuse your mother na somebody na your sister. Accuse her na blessing. Obolo tali wolo tali piafa no ko. They just they misbehave. They do anyhow.
So they allow you now. You go flog my mom. See. What's in the shop? Like why they yarn like this?
Why they no go flog her?
I don't like him.
Why they no go flog her?
I don't like.
Ah.
Champion this one.
So you see your mother there?
My G.
Ha.
Nsala. Nsala
wokike.
Apa my bro. What's in the shop?
Nsala wokike.
I don't do. How you been now?
Nsala wokike. Odogwu. How far now?
No reason now. Everywhere good though. Just where I go carry my market. Road block. So the way house. No, I want things and I go. How you been now?
So how far? What do you get for us
everywhere good now?
Abi.
Who is that saying I'm not today?
Yo, but I can never. Abi, you still argue with me here. I beg, but you never your mother there.
Come on.
This is my inheritance. As the first son, I beg the child of the Mosey. The hustle for job. This is my inheritance. As the first son, I beg the child of the Mosey. Like husband, like wife, their children. This is my inheritance. As the first son, I beg the child of the nose. These people no get to shame at all. This is my inheritance. As the first son, I beg the child of the nose. What are you up to?
Where do you think you're going to?
Are you sure?
Where do you think you're going to? Ha! Oh, I'm talking to you, your entry. Where do you think you're going to? Eh? Has your madness started again this morning? Why no nyara? Eh? Yes, I'm mad.
Ijoma, what is it again? What is it?
Hey, don't even go there. Don't talk to me. Don't call my name. Don't try it. Was I talking to you? I'm Magogoku. Pocket your mouth, oh. Ijoma. Ijoma, don't forget. This is my father's house. This is your father's house? Yes, this is my husband's house. Don't forget that this is my husband's house, the first son. The first son, because if you try it there, you get cooking here. You make it and where you get me? What is wrong with you? Are you not supposed to be in your own husband's house? Don't even try me. Don't try me at all. You want to naked me? I got no cable. You want to naked me, Joma? In my own father's house.
Leave her. It's okay.
It's okay.
You know that if you fight her now, you're going to injure her. I know. So don't fight her.
Gene! She will injure me. Try me. Is it because that I have not eaten? Don't try me. If you try me, doggy will go. Don't try me. Look at this idiot. Idiot. Yes, sir, look, I'm forgetting. In my own father's house, Ijoma. In my own husband's house. I'm proud. Proud with 2 kids. What is wrong with the 2 of you? You people are counterfeit. Get out! Ndala. Hey, Wanyaga. Gini mere Wanyaga. Auntie Jidengwe, follow her. Ijoma. Ijoma. Hey. This your madness, eh? This is your madness that you are displaying in this house. Ijoma, this madness you are displaying in this house.
Auntie, did the empty barrels make
I
the
know why I'm
loudest
keeping
noise?
quiet.
Empty barrels, they make
So you have mouth to talk.
Auntie,
What kind of madness is this in this house?
Let's go.
You have mouth.
Let's go.
Come, you people can face me. Come and face me. Come and face me. Anna, look at this one. You even have mouth to talk. Look at Wanyaga. You can talk to me now. Me that is proudly, that has 2 children, a boy and a girl. I am the rightful owner to this compound. I am the rightful owner to this place. Nobody will have peace, oh. In this house, nobody will get peace. You people have to release my husband. You have to release my husband. If not, yes, I'm here. I'm the rightful owner. This drum, water, everything belongs to me, even including the bathroom. Try it in Dokasiagi. Everybody will see that big thing you have. Nonsense. You people should come and try me. In this compound.
In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. close to you, some are far from you, but it has brought us.
Yeah, good day. What is it? Why is your face like anything happened to Papa?
Ndubisi, you need to go and bail your elder brother.
I was even scared, thinking maybe something has happened to Papa. Why? Who is my dad? Hey, don't even try it. What is it? Why? No, why? I won't. I will not go there and bail him. Let him die there. What is it? Please, don't.
Ijoma has vowed that peace will not reign in that house, except you release her husband from the police cell.
Is anybody scared of them? I am not scared of them. Are you? No, why will I go there and release her husband? Am I the one that kept him there? Why didn't you go and release her husband? Why? Why is she telling you, sending you to come and tell me to go and release her husband? Am I the one that arrested her husband? Nobody should pressure me out.
Can you imagine that Ijoma threw away the water I am made to bathe you this morning?
And what did you do? Probably you're looking at her. Not telling her, don't try it again, no. Even not because I didn't. Yes! Allowing her, that small witch, to oppress you in your own father's house. Somebody we went to pay her bride price. We were there. We are among people that went to marry that lady. Brought her, Yawo, wife, to be oppressing you. Born and the Agbala, the original. See, I don't know what to say. I don't know. Keep allowing her to mess you up in your own father's house.
She refused me of taking my beds in my own father's house.
And you did not give her backhand slap and use the other one to correct it, or choke her inside her eyes, so that next time she won't repeat it again. Next time she won't try it again.
I wouldn't have. I was tying wrapper. They already had planned to naked me. Actually, these people are out for war. They are out for war in that house.
Then give it to them. Give it to who is scared of war. Yes. If they don't want peace, you give them war. If they bring in war, you face them. If it is peace they want, yes, we are there. Come see. If not because of Papa. Anyways, I don't have anything. They should not worry. I'm ready for them. I'm ready for them.
This madness has to stop. Yes, I foresee danger. I see danger looming around Ndubisi.
Anyways, I'm not the one bringing the danger. I'm not the one causing trouble. But for me, I will not go there and bail him. Not what after that woman has done to me and my wife. Not after all she has said. Anyways, I have nothing to say.
I can see the spirit of anger in you, Ndubisi. You have to forgive and forget. You have to forgive Ikenna. He's your only brother. Please, you need to go and bail your brother.
How is that my problem? Huh? Am I doing if somebody has to let the person die? If it means somebody has to die for peace to reign, then somebody will die. And it is that woman, that witch, that person that is going to die. She will use her blood to clean this family so that there will be peace again.
Is it until somebody might have died in this family? When will these hate and spiteful remarks stop? I am tired. Why are we family?
I don't understand. Huh? No. You see hatred. You are not seeing peace from my own end. Am I the one causing the problem? No, you're not. Come, take it. Don't go and eat food. I thought you came here for something better.
Ndubisi, I am not hungry. Ndubisi, I am not hungry. This nonsense has to stop. We have to resolve this issue. What is all this?
If he wants peace, give him peace. Or whatever he wants, I am ready to give it to him. Give me what you ever want to do. I'm done it. See, you better go home. Go and prepare something for Papa to eat. What is it? Everybody go and pick. Am I the one that arrested him? Am I the one that arrested him?
Ndubisi, peace has to reign in this family. Ndubisi, go and bail your brother. That is all I have to say. I'm going home. Please, go and bail your brother.
Look at somebody you're supposed to be fighting. You are not fighting the person. It is me you want to call nobody. Question me. Yeah, what is it? Don't worry. I am ready for them, oh. I am ready for him. I don't even know why I'm not his elder brother. So that I'll tie his hand, tie his leg. I will use back of cutlass. I'll wipe him, flog him very well. It's an idiot. Think I can bully in my father's house. It will never happen. Where have you been since? We've been looking for you people. Ain't they just left here now?
We went to see Abobi about the recent happenings in my house.
So what did he say?
He suggested we bail the Kenna.
Are you gonna do it?
I don't have money.
Okay. Njidika just left here now, suggesting the same thing for peace to reign.
Obi said we should not fail to report him and his family if they try to ferment another trouble. That's what he said.
What are you up to, brother man? Are you sure you're with your senses? Why are you fighting your brother? In a fire and police. It will be dokita, babu mon arrest. On the zimmer, one neginacho, get a beach on the road. This is my inheritance. Oh, as the first son, Nepa by a child, Nepa will the hustle for job.
Onyiji.
I'm hungry. Is there food in the house? Where is my food now?
Hey, your food. Hey, yeah. Try one name. Hey, your food is inside. Very well prepared, well garnished. You trust us in my doings, my cooking skills. Go and serve yourself as much as you can finish. You can't hear listening now. Forget. Go and eat food. You can't hear listening now. Forget. You can't live while by this.
Samadna! What was the meaning of that? Huh? What was the meaning of that? So you were playing with me?
Meaning of what? Chero, I can't hear from Nampu. Is that why you are screaming my name? Eh? I'm going to next time. Don't try it again. I'll try one also.
For the last time, where is my food?
For the last time, Onyeka, there is no food.
You say what?
Yes, there's no food.
I will slap you.
Eh?
See, I will slap. Come and talk well also. Where's my food?
I did not hear you well. You say you will do what? Onyeka, you will do what? Slap me. Mamula. I don't even know how God managed to put both of us together as twins. This is the only thing you know how to do. To smoke away your brain and your life. That is all. This is saying that I'm not mind your previous life whether you were mad before. Your mates are in the township hustling. Hustle. Name me hustling. Some are even doing conductor. Mechanic. You do and be useful to yourself. That is the only thing you know how to do is to go and be smoking. It's only to know how to smoke.
So you're insulting me.
Look at how your mouth is smelling. Ikapo.
My man, escort me. I'm waiting to go see the Dagodi. So go in.
Oh yeah, leave me alone. I'm training to get out. Come and suck breast. Nonsense and ingredients. Hey. baby though. Okay, won't buy. Eh? What is your problem, Ochako Maka? Oh, this is just the beginning.
Where is my breakfast? It's back in here.
Who is Biamanya? Me.
Eh? Where is my breakfast? Now where's my breakfast? I'm hungry.
Marika, did you keep any food in this house and I did not give you?
But you people have eaten, right? You people have eaten. Where is my own food now? Where is my food?
Yes, we've eaten.
So there's no food for me?
There's no food for you.
And I got too much. Where is my food?
Come and eat me.
I should come and eat you?
Yes, come and eat me.
So it's now my responsibility to take care of myself in this house, right?
Oh. It's your responsibility. You're asking me, is your responsibility? Of course, you're supposed to take care of yourself in this house. Look at you. Is it not your mate that are out there? Is it not your mate? Are you not grown? You're a grown man. Go out there, look for a hole, look for machete, anything. Go and harvest cassava. If you don't like cassava, you can harvest yam. We have red oil. Use it and eat it.
Wait, just make me understand. Why is it that anytime I mention food in this house, you always have issues with me? Why?
I'm always having issues with you because you smoke a lot. Well, after smoking all these green things you've been smoking, your belly will be open. And once your belly is open, you'll be hungry. That's why I'm having issues with you.
Because it's too... Which kind go to the farm, am I the one that brought myself in this life? When you know that you and that your useless husband, you know very well that you cannot take care of me and my younger sister. Why did you bring me into this life? Why did you bring us into this life to suffer? Why?
To suffer? Can you hear yourself? As old as you are, you're supposed to be out there making money. If you don't know what to do, gabro cement! There is no food for you in this house because you're a lazy man. There's no food for a lazy man.
There's no food for me?
Yes.
Just watch out. See.
Take it there, idiot. You faced your sister. It's not enough for you. You enter my own room to face me, your mother. Don't worry. My husband will hear this. I can make it boy so you. Idiot. We'll beat you like a thief.
In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. In this world, you don't know who is your real enemy.
Monty, they're back home. Monty. Nebe, eh?
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what?
Huh?
What is the meaning of what? So you came back to this house with your 2 left legs without my husband? Eh? Come and enter, let me see you.
My own house?
Hey, Ijoma.
Eh?
Will you at least allow my parents to enter their house?
Oh, their house. Oh, their house, you said. Their house, as you allow them enter their house. Which house are you talking about? Oh, you mean my husband's house?
My father's house. Ijoma.
Eh?
My parents built this house with their sweat.
Hey! With their sweat in Abumaso. Or some their sweat in Abumaso. Is it because it's their sweat in Abumaso? What is it? Eh? Please, you people should let me be. Let me be, oh. You people are not entering this house. Yes, hey!
Ijoma.
Eh?
Ijoma.
Eh? Hey!
Hey! My God.
Okay, your mates are there. Hey! Your mates are there. What are you still doing in this house? Yes, Inge. You could not.
You could not get.
Where is it? Yes. Mama Nuku, are you not over 80 years? Mama Nuku, 70-something years.
Hey.
What are two of you still waiting for? Your mate's not 6 feet, you're still in this house, dragging my father's house with us.
Even you, it is somebody.
Yes.
Even you.
Can you imagine?
Even you. Even you, somebody.
Even you, everybody, even you. What is it, okay, Gawa? What is it? What's your problem? If you want peace to reign in this house, you better go and bail my husband from that police station. If not, this house will catch fire. Nobody is entering this house. Don't even try me. Somebody, buy mono. Buy mono. What are you doing?
This woman, she has no atom of regard, respect. And the worst part of it is that she has no shame.
She has no fear at all. Only an abakupaka, that woman, only an abakamiri. She talks anyhow. She has no good character in her at all.
Anyama, I've forgotten. My eyes have seen my ears. As a matter of fact, Igwe must hear this. I mean, yes. Obi must hear this.
Yes.
Not only Obi. You must hear what Ijoma and Samadina did. I'm not going to sweep it under the carpet. No way. No. It's too much.
Papa, Mama, please. We need to go and bury Ken now. Please. We need to go and bury Ken now.
Injileka, as if you are there. That was exactly what Obi said.
Really?
Yes, we were just coming back from his palace. We went there to report Ijoma. But he said that we should go and bail Ikenna first before another thing.
That was exactly what Ndubisi said at his shop.
Oh, Ndubisi? I pleaded with him to go and bail his brother.
Papa, and what did he say?
Yeah,
Nothing. He moved his mouth. Nothing. Moot.
Hey.
Just running away from my house.
This is serious.
Daddy, you are here.
Yes, sir. How is work today?
Work is going on. I'm just displaying my products.
I'm going to the police station to go and bail my brother, Ekene.
See how my mind just flying. I was thinking something happened. Okay, yeah, that's very good though. I almost wanted to call you now. After I discussed it at Njideka, I wanted to tell you the outcome of the discussion, which is this one.
Don't mind. She came to my shop, started shouting at me, raising her voice as if I was the one that arrested Ekene. Am I the one that kept him there? Am I the one? Why is everybody now blaming me?
It's okay. It's not your fault. I understand. Is that where you are going to now?
Yes, now. My papa has been talking to me. He's even in support that I should go and release him. He said his kinsmen told him before the end of today that we should make sure Ekene is released. That he's not a police kid, they should bring him home so that we should settle it. If not pick up Papa, I will. If I remember the things that boy did to me.
It's okay. Is that where you are going to now?
I was supposed to use the shortcut, but I said let me pass this place so that I can tell you.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. You have to start going. Okay. Daddy, wait.
Blaming me. As if I was the one that arrested him. All the things he has been doing to me, if I think about them, I will not even.
Okay. You can go.
What do you want me to buy for you? What am I buying?
You're not buying anything. I want you to add this to the money you have to pay him.
What will I do without you? See why I love you so much. Hey! A very good woman. According to my friend, he said, envious of all women. Thank you very much. In my next life, I was still married. Yeah. Thank you. Don't worry, let me rush.
I'm not blushing. Go now. Go to police station.
You want to see? I'm coming. Eh?
Let me to fall now.
This is 3 days. This is 3 days, oh. 3 days now. I've not seen my husband. If I start now, they will say, Ijoma has started. Please, oh, you people should give me my husband. Anybody that can hear me should hear me now. Give me my husband. Give me my husband, though.
Oh, Mom, see, oh, I don't blame any other person, no. I blame Onyeka. Because instead of him to act like a man, he's busy keeping quiet. Why keep quiet?
My friend, will you keep quiet? Come on, shut up your mouth. You blame Onyeka. If I hear my name from your mouth again, I'll squeeze your mouth. You blame Onyeka. You expect me to constitute nuisance in this house?
Don't touch me.
Wait,
If I slap the both of you, this is not the bone of contention. You people are shouting. I've not seen my husband and you people are shouting. If I slap the both of you, you can sit down.
Warn your daughter. Meroga, I'll wound you. Okay.
You won't come and wound her. Let me see. And you self, keep quiet. I'm talking that I've not seen my husband. I'm saying that I've not seen my husband. And you're
your
shouting.
husband is here. Your husband is here.
Chimo. Hey! It will not be well with that Kodo. Obako down.
Amen.
There you can no. Should I bring food for you to eat? I should forget.
Table, you can bring food. Yes, bring food now.
Ndo daddy, nga magia milioko, oh? Nga magia milioko. Ndo.
Keka sale se kuzina. Eba mama. Popsy, you're so heartless. As in, it's very heartless. How can you just come back from Mungai, but no, you finished everything. You ate everything with the meat. Other man, the meanness for me. You are even mean with pride. That was the reason Papa Nuku locked you up in the prison.
Forget. Ibo is Mweko. You don't have sense at all. Your father left here. For how long? On coming back, this is how you welcome him. That is the meanness for me. Moi kija Muslims. Is the meanness for me. Huh?
Popsy na one mogo. Popsy, if I'm a mogo, what as a lion. A goat cannot give birth to a lion. But listen, the thing is that if you know what is right, you do it. You do it.
Can you just imagine this boy? I don't blame you. I blame myself. Mpo galas. Punk. Me and you now, we are now age group. Because you talk to me, you are now my height. You can stop me and talk to me anyhow. Just imagine what you just stopped me to tell me, that I finished the food. Sometimes I wonder, is it me, Ikenna, that gave birth to this boy? Because I'm not sure. I know my gene. I know that if I strike one, the whole world, I'll give them to scientists.
That's why.
My own is that I don't know if he was exchanged at the hospital. Because then, there was this woman that was pregnant and they said it's armed robber that raped the woman. Is it that the nurse made mistake and exchanged the armed robber's son to you and gave my real son, my scientist son to that woman? Because I can't give birth to you.
Popsy, you can't give birth to me.
Are
you not seeing what is happening? Popsy, I look like you. Look at the skin texture now. It's the same thing. If you're lazy, me, I'm very, very lazy. Clean up, you have the very clear. Everything is clear. I look like
Can you when I was transporting goods from Jalingo, Nnebu Granot and Zamfara, from Zamfara to Zaria, from Zaria to Medugri, how old do you think I was doing it? No, how old do you think I was when I got your mother pregnant? You looked at me and said I'm lazy. Anyway,
come and be fending for your family. Thank God you're back from prison. It's time for you to be fending for your family. Then I know about Jalingo. Every time you know about Jalingo. See, come find it out. See.
It's true that Ogechi gave you food. No problem. But I would like you to know that this house, Ogechi and her husband is going to leave my husband's house for me. They will leave, oh.
This same house that took me to police station.
Mm-hmm.
So you started again?
Started again.
No, I want to know you started again.
Okay. Ikenna, they should go. It's very simple.
Please go. You're saying is where? Where are they going to exactly? Because my brother has not built any house. So where is he going to?
Anywhere. Anywhere she should go. Anywhere she wants to go, even if it's village square. Let her go.
Popsy, I will say, Ogechi and her husband, they can probably go to the bush and stay.
Bam!
Any place na house. House is house now.
Then leave.
I never knew this. You have this.
Look, the one I thought to study. See what she's saying.
Yeah, Somadina. Also, who are you?
Yes, also.
You and your mother trying to poison my father's mind against his own brother. Huh? And you know that this inheritance fight, that was what landed your husband in the prison.
Which prison? My husband did not go to prison. He went to sail.
He went to sail?
Yes.
Angela, I thought you went to school. What's the difference between prison and sail?
I don't know why your prison is where they will lock and throw away the key.
That's what I'm trying to learn. When someone is restricted to a particular point, he or she is in prison. Why are you behaving like this, sir? God forbid. Instead of you to advise your husband, let him get something reasonable for himself so that he can be able to cater for the family. And you are here spoiling everything. God forbid bad thing. I pray to God, may God not allow me to marry somebody like you.
You idiot. Thunder from above should strike your mouth.
Thunder will not strike you.
You will scatter it.
Every day I'm asking God a question.
That is get this way. Nah.
This is to Jalinga. I'm meeting.
Jalinga or Jawagona. She's not going to live in this house with you. She is moving.
Because I know you're
this house. She will leave this house for me. What is it?
Are you sure you are not in rich?
Come on, don't talk to me.
I asked Papa to come for this meeting so that we can have peace in this house. Because without peace, this house won't contain anybody. You are elder brother Ikenna, and Ndubisi is your younger brother. Please, forgive him. Blood, they say, is thicker than water. If a one ne aderu no pupo, oderu no bi cha. Ikenna, do you know your brother and his wife bailed you with 15,000 naira? You see what I mean? You shouldn't give pressure to whosoever that is poisoning your mind against your only brother. Please, let's give peace a chance. Okay? One more thing. If there's unity amongst you two, you can join hands and fight external battles. Because Papa, over to you.
My children, there used to be an existing peace among you both. But now, reverse is the case. I strongly believe that someone has enthroned anarchy and disorder in this house, which both of you are dancing to. Ejikwa m oge a na-agwa unu enye na-ekwensu onye ọdụ ogologo ohere ka ọ baa n'ime ndụ unu. Whosoever that commits murder, I'm making this reference to both of you, Ndubisi and Ekenna, must surely go in for it. Exactly. The law must definitely catch him up, and you know what will be the outcome of it. You know what will be the end result. So please, let us give peace a chance. Yes. Because they say that where there is peace, there is progress.
Well, thank you, Papa. Thank you very much for the words of wisdom. Papa, as you all know me, I'm a very peaceful person. All I want in this house is peace. My brother here, Ikena, knows I love him so much. I will never disrespect him. So if we actually want peace in this house, why there will be peace in this house? There will be peace.
Anyway, Papa, me, I heard what you said. I don't have a problem. Like, I'm just hearing that they bailed me with 15,000 naira. The problem I'm having in this house, even till tomorrow, is them making it look like I am the problem in this house, whereas they are the problem. Why would they be commanding me in this house? If I'm smoking, this one will come from nowhere and say, why are you smoking here? Go to the backyard. If I do this one will come. Like, how? Why? Is it because he's taller? Or is it because he has gray hairs? Is that why he thinks he can command me? Or compel me to do what I don't want to do? Okay, now about being Sanas and father from Jalingo. I don't call you about even pay the school fees. I'm going to get you one more than Jalingo.
Oh, that one.
We are sorry.
If you don't do for me, who will?
That's exactly what I want.
If you see that I'm saying.
Yes,
what did I do again?
Oh, that is it.
That's it. Oh my God. Ijoma, leave me alone.
So he came that they called you for peace talk. Eh? A peace talk. Unana kogini. Peace talk. They have not started.
They have not started?
Yes.
They have not started. Why are you such a devil? Like, why are you used to quarrel? You are used to, like, you eat quarrel. Okay. You swallow quarrel in this your life.
Okay.
Why are you not used to peace?
I'm such a devil. You just found out that I'm a devil. Too late for you.
It's not like I did not find out since, but I'm just trying to be sure. Now it looks like I'm very...
I'm a devil. I'm a devil.
You're a devil?
Yes, leave it. The only thing I want is there for them to leave this house. It's very simple.
What do you mean leave this house? Leave this house, you always say. Leave this house for what? I don't understand why you're saying they must leave this house, leave this house. What did Ndubisi do? Okay, they should leave the house to where?
I don't even understand you. Anywhere they want to go, they should go. They should leave my husband's house. Is that very simple now? What is even your problem?
They should leave my husband's house?
They should leave, yes.
Anyone that is hearing you say this will think your husband built one mansion somewhere. Do you even know how much bag of cement is cost? You just open your mouth to say they must leave.
Hi, again, I thought you have sense. Imali, you know how much bag of cement? This is your inheritance. What is your problem? I'm trying to help you. You need me.
Don't help me. Don't. I didn't invite you to help me. I don't understand a once peaceful and loving family. We are living peacefully. If my brother did not eat, I will not eat. I will even starve. That's how we lived before. If I did not eat, he will not eat. If he's sick, even if I'm in Jalingo, I will fall sick. That's how we live together. All of a sudden, you just came immediately and said no. We used to eat in one pot. Even one spoon I will eat and give my brother to eat. That's how we live. You just came immediately and say, we'll not be eating to... Even our daughter, not like we're bringing money to Kuku. We are not bringing any money. Still Ndubisi and his family that brings the money. Now, our daughter will still want to make the food. You say, no, don't cook it. Not like the poor girl is complaining. No. Now I'm asking why?
Why?
Is it not good to live in peace? Don't you like peace? Because you've been doing this thing, sometimes I'll just agree and be doing what you're saying. But at this point now, I've had it up here. Leave them alone.
You just made the point. You just made the point. That is it. The only thing Ogechi knows how to do in this house is to cook, eat, shit. That's all. Wear clothes. That's all. I want them to leave my husband's house. Any of me mess up alone at this house. What is your problem, self?
Anyway, all these things, I don't blame you. I will not be in this house and be saying this thing.
I'm not ashamed of you.
It's because of what happened in Jalingo. Let what happened in Jalingo stay in Jalingo. You're telling me I should chase my brother out of the house. It will not happen, no. Me, I've told you, that one will not happen.
It will not happen.
It will not happen.
It will happen.
Go and chase them now.
It will happen. And you're going to be the one to chase them. If not, okay, forget. A man who will to week on this house. I will pursue you.
Please.
Just
leave. It's very early. I'm here planning my day. Allow me to have rest of mind.
Look at this one. You're planning your day. What day do you know you're planning? If not on how to rap Igbo, use spit, rap everything and smoke. Smoke away your life. That is the only thing you're here planning.
That's the only thing she's used to insulting me. But I will not take it. You see, in this one, I will not take it.
You will not take it. Oh yeah, go to bed.
Before Uncle,
go to bed.
Where will I go? Is it go to swim out?
In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy.
Papa, I'm not going to bed you. I've stayed now. Yes. I've tried with you guys. So, I'm Kudonachi. Kitana na o Kudonachi nezinu. My beautiful wife. Kudonachi. Oh my God. My beautiful wife. Kudonachi.
Today, my daughter.
Yes, Papa.
When you get home, greet my in-laws for me. And my grandchildren.
Sure, they will definitely
just
hear.
Just extend my regards to them.
Sure, definitely, I will do that, Papa.
Thank you very much.
My regards to Chidera and the siblings.
Mama, I will do that. Yes, Mama, they will hear. They will hear. To me. I will miss you too. Because I don't want gidi gada in this house again. Biko, I will go now. Biko, I will go now. No.
Household enemy, the worst enemy, they will pretend to love you. They will pretend.
Hey, next time if you come to this house again, you came to my husband's house, are you mad? Are you stupid? You are very stupid. You are mad. You not started. I will so deal with you. Come on. Oh yeah. I cannot see your mama. Get out. Get out. Try me. Get out of my husband's house. Bring water to wash my eye. Mama. Next time you come here, I will deal with you. You came to my husband's house. Because I've been keeping quiet. Try it next time. I will show you Pepe. Nonsense. Next time, try it, Mama. I will show you the stuff and paper.
Some are close to you, some are far from you, but household enemy. Very dangerous to perfect. Household enemy. Very dangerous to perfect. Some are close to you, some are far from you.
I thought you said you collided with a bicycle, it's not a motorcycle. So you lied. Ogechi, were you there? No, were you there? Ogechi, where come here think Kakopan? You're not there. You didn't witness the fight. You know that day. What happened that day was like I did not eat. Yes, I remember. I did not eat. So I was very weak. My eyes were turning me. So at some point, she just touched me. Myself, I fell. Wall. And from there, she took advantage of it and
She punched my eye, that is it. It's not like who is Ogechi? Ndabudo Ogechi. If I fall on you, Ogechi will say the truth. I know myself. It's because I did not balance well that day. I did not balance.
Balenciaga. Balancer. Balenciaga. No. Hey! I don't know why all these people that talk too much. They don't have strength. It's only to know how to talk. That is what you know how to talk. Hey, Mom, see? The only opportunity you had to beat Ogechi, to beat her blue, yellow, black, orange, indigo, you did not do it. It's only how to wind mouth that you know. Eh? Here's the one. Mom, see, this is not the person I know. The way you used to make mouth, I will beat Ogechi. If I catch her, I will do her this, I will strangle her. Opportunity came, you did not do anything. And now Ogechi is bragging about. Bragging! How? Name of my own mother. You know where all this thing is paining me now is because if they want to talk now, they will say, Ijoma is your mother. They will also be pointing fingers at me as if me too, I don't have strength. Meanwhile, I'm more of the lioness. No, I have strength more than you. Hey! Oh, see you for my hand though.
Hi. I did not balance now. I just said it. I did not balance. I did not balance. The thing is that somebody that did not eat since morning, somebody that have not eaten anything, I did not even taste water. I missed my step and that's it.
Balenciaga.
Where are they? Where are they?
Momsi, isn't that came here to arrest us with police? Where are they? Where are they?
I'll show them before my medal. Where are they? Just bastard that poured hot water on my wife. I will seriously deal with them. Go inside and search for them, get them arrested and bring them to me. Okay, go now. Arrest anything that breathes in that house.
Sergeant, did you see anything?
No, sir.
There's nobody's in this house.
Yes, sir.
But while we drove in, I noticed a girl run into the house.
That must be the suspect.
Let's check the backyard. At this point, we need to go tell the complainant that the mother and daughter that he asked us to come and arrest have escaped.
I will deal with them. I know you. I will mess them up.
Withdraw the police. Let us settle this as a family, please.
What have I not done for these guys?
I know you have tried, but please just take it easy.
Nonsense!
What they did is very, very wrong.
Do you know how much I spend on a daily basis just to take care of our skin?
I know you've been paying.
I will show them paper.
Don't worry, please.
Don't tell me you didn't find anyone. You didn't arrest them. What?
They are not around. They're going to the hospital.
Papa, tell them I will be back. I will be back. Eh? How do you know Fanaka? Why are you not Fanaka? My wife! Hey! Get it, let's go. Papa, I will seriously deal with them. I will spend my last card to make sure they rot in jail. I'll give it now. They will rot in jail.
Ogini kaimelo.
Hey, let nobody touch me. Let nobody touch me. Let nobody touch me. This house. This house. Mama, don't touch me. I said this. What has come over you?
Leave our house! Leave! Leave!
You put your hands on me. Blood will touch you. Blood will touch you. Blood will touch you. I want to throw a punch. I want to throw a punch. Blood will touch you. Just go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Leave this hand. Leave this hand.
So you have decided to kill him in my house.
He must leave this house.
He will not leave.
This house is my inheritance.
Inheritance,
Leave them and keep quiet.
inheritance, kill you there.
When I said everybody should mind their business.
Here.
What did you people say?
I don't know.
What did you people say? This man he must leave this house.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Mama.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Your father is still alive. You're only claiming his property. Your father, you want to kill him? Do you want to kill him? It is the same right you have in this house
with my breast.
That I have.
You call that person with my
Mama,
breast.
Mama, don't worry. Mama.
No. Back to center. Back to center. You will pay for this.